again. No, he's an asshole. Say it again. He threatened me the whole way back here. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. I'm recording him on purpose. I'm recording you on purpose. You threatened me the whole way home. Yeah. Go. Got your license plate, man.
Right, my friends, welcome back to Chief the Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Ngilingele. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So, like guys, kunesimana ke ngizothuba sisi nobani Anele Mdoda posted one of my videos esesawabona ke especially lapha on social media. I'll play two of these videos were shared by News and Nexus South Africa lapha on TikTok, because lama video ngibone lapha ku TikTok. I'll play lama video and then kube now or enjoy on the comment section, just uzibekela nawe umbone ukuthi what do we think ngalo daba mtsindaina ke lapha ke usisi loyana ke wakwaMdoda. Right, na nje le video okay.
No,
I don't know if you saw that.
He threatened me the whole way back here. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. I'm recording him on purpose. I'm recording you on purpose. You threatened me the whole way home. Yeah. Go. Got your license plate, man. Say it again. No.
Right. If I judge by voice yakhe Anele uzwakala ngathi umuntu oyawathinta kancane amanzi ambonjani, because we know ukuthi uyayiphuzela fine. I don't know ukuthi yini baclashanise kangaka no driver, but judging from the statement or from the speech into ayeshiwoyo uthande Anele Mdoda uthi ke this guy was threatening her ukuthi ke mhlambe ke ngamdlwengula ngokusho kwakhe. So lento le ithanda ukuba into serious if ungayijulela, because these people abaqashwa kulezi imoto ke basuke bengazi ukuthi ke obani ababahambisa kuphi ngalesikhathi leso besuke beqashiwe. Kahle ke ama Uber drivers lawa abanye ke basuke bengenzi indaba ka Uber, abanye ke they are employed by ama companies asebenzela ke kuma airports. So at this moment ke asazi noma iUber ngempela le noma ke imoto ebimsusa ke airport imisa ke kuleyo ndawo, but then ake sithathe nje ukuthi ke kodwa iUber, because abantu bama companies ngokulandelela indlela abasuke abayiyo abatrainwe ngayo akukho lula ukuthi ke bevele benze nje noma bekhulume into ke engekho right kubantu abasuke especially beba transporter from one place to another. So into eyenzakalayo la, I just read a comment from this account i-account le yabezindaba njengoba bese ngishilo. So most of my comments awamthembisisi uAnele Mdoda ukuthi ke uyena usukeliwe noma lento ke akayenzayo uyenzisa ukuthi ngoba ngempela ke lento abhekene nayo ngale ndlela akhuluma ngayo iyiqiniso. So because abantu usiziningi ikanda adlule kuzona ke uthola ukuthi ke uyena umqali noma uyena usukele labo bantu labo, yabo. So kahle ke uyibully herself, kodwa ke at the same time ujike afune ukuba umuntu ke abantu abamzwelayo. For instance njengala, yabo, we don't know kahle ke kodwa ke iact yakhe lomlisa behind the scenes ukuthi iqale kuphi kanjani, yabo. Kodwa ke judging by ama comments they are against into eyenziwa ke uyena kuAnele Mdoda abantu, yabo. Let's see from abantu ke ukuthi ke bathi okay uthi lapha uNSK mina nje I don't take Anele Mdoda serious anymore. There are several reasons for sure why esho kanjalo, but then ke kube nama replies enzakalayo ukuthi ke okay fine njengoba ke esho kanje lo muntu ke lo kungani Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'll just read 3, but then to this comment there are 116 replies. So I'll just read 3 nje kuphela yabo, just to ukuze ukuthi-ke nabantu bathini baza nayiphi idea when they replying to this comment. Uthi laphana-ke uStan uthi-ke does this mean that her claims are not legit, because this is a serious accusations even for a celeb? We can't just dismiss a rape threats, no. Okay, bese kuba ulaphana-ke omunye ocommente wathi, did you hear any rape threats in the video? Ubrenda, obviously from the video it doesn't prove anything. Okay, so we have these are different comments, but then they are setting some kind of idea. Okay, fine, lama threats lawa, okay, noma le allegation eyenziwa uyena uAnele Mdoda. Let's hope ukuthi uzoyivula case, because these threats or these allegations are very serious. And to the ladies who don't believe her, I ask you what would Anele Mdoda gain from lying about a random Uber driver, right? Okay, fine. We know Anele ukuthi engaba umuntu okhuluma ngendlela akhuluma ngayo, or engaba umuntu ke omis ngathini okuba ne-misunderstanding ngokwe-statement mhlambe noma ngokwenkulumo mhlambe ababe nayo no-driver noma kanjani, and then kwagcinela-ke sekutheni-ke kube ukuthi ubone ngathi-ke udrive umthreatenishela ukuthi engagcina-ke enze lento acabanga ukuthi Anele Mdoda bengayenza kuyena. Imagine people don't believe a public figure who is rich and has nothing to gain by lying about this, and then imagine who will believe an ordinary woman. Ushoke omunye lapha. Okay, fine. The comment ungayichaza ngendlela eziningi yabo, in as much as abantu bengakubeliever as public figure, or believe as a public figure now ayaqamba manga for clouds or for ukuyiveza ukuthi ke okay fine thina singabantu ke abavelela abaziwayo kanjani, and then they try by all means ukutrenda ngaleso sikhathi, because phela le into yena azoyigaina ukutrenda yabo, ngoba iyona nto ababona ukuthi imnandi uma yenzeka ngokweside labo. So I don't know ukuthi ke uyicabangile le nto ke ayishoyo lo muntu ke ngalesa sikhathi ke eyibhala le yayinto. But then guys, there are so many comments mayelana nale video, and amanye awo ayakholwa ukuthi ngempela uAnele Mdoda into ke ecishe mhlambe ke kube ukuthi ibingenzeka kuyena or eyenzekile kuyena, ukuthi ke udriver ke agcine ke emthreatenisha ke ngalama allegations akawashoyo. But mina bengifisa ukuzwa nakwabanye, because these allegations, yes, are very serious, kodwa at the same time ke abantu uma bengakuthathi serious okushiwo ke uAnele Mdoda kwesinye isikhathi kuye kube i-challenge, just because yena uke wayifaka ke ezintweni ke ekhomba ukuthi uyena ke obe wrong by that time. So guys, please do comment on the section ngezansi. Don't forget to like this video.